Do you always say open in English? There are better ways to say it. Today I'll teach you 10 advanced alternatives. These words will make your English sound more natural. Let's get started. For doors and windows. Instead of open the door, try unlock the door. Say push the door if it swings inward. Use pull the door if it swings outward. For windows, say slide the window up, or crank the window open for old car windows. For containers and packages, don't say open the box, say unbox it. For bottles, say unscrew the cap. Use unseal the package for taped boxes. Say pop the lid for snack containers. For cans, say flip the tab on the soda cans. For technology and devices, instead of open the app, say launch the app. Use boot up the computer for starting a PC. Say unlock your phone for the screen. For websites, say load the page. Use switch on the TV instead of open the TV. For events and situations, don't say open the meeting. Say kick off the meeting. Use start the ceremony for formal events. Say unveil the exhibit for art galleries. For stores, say the shop is now welcoming customers. Use commence the session for conferences. For books and documents, instead of open the book, say flip to page 10. Use unfold the map for paper maps. Say scroll down for digital documents. For envelopes, say slit the envelope open. Use expand the file for folders on a computer. For body language and gestures, don't say open your hands. Say extend your arms. Use unclench your fists for tense hands. Say spread your fingers for a wide grip. For eyes, say widen your eyes instead of open your eyes. Use part your lips for slight mouth opening. For nature and objects, instead of open the umbrella, say deploy the umbrella. Say blossom for flowers opening. For curtains, say draw the curtains open. Use unroll the mat for yoga mats. Bonus, formal and creative alternatives. In writing, use disclose the information. Say unearth the truth for discoveries. Use unbar the gate for dramatic effect. Say unbolt the door for heavy doors. For secrets, say reveal the answer. For clothing and accessories, instead of open your jacket, say unzip your jacket. Use unbutton your shirt for dress shirts. Say unfasten your belt when loosening it. For shoes, say untie your laces. Use unclasp the necklace for jewelry. For food and drinks, don't say open the bag. Say tear open the chip bag. Use crack open a cold one for beer cans. Say peel the banana for fruits. For eggs, say break the eggshell. For transportation, instead of open the car door, say unlatch the car door. Or use roll down the window in vehicles. Say deploy the parachute for skydiving. For airplanes, say extend the landing gear. For electronics and gadgets, don't say open your laptop. Say flip up the screen. Use eject the disc for DVD players. Say unplug the charger when removing it. Cameras, say extend the lens. Ice. For home and furniture, instead of open the drawer, say pull out the drawer. Use unlock the safe for secured items. For